Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to activate swipe for split screen on Samsung with Android 14. Okay, first of all, we can go to our settings application on our Samsung phone and we're going to open the advanced features. You can scroll down until you find the advanced features option. Tap on this advanced features and you can tap on the multi-window option. Okay, and here you can activate swipe for split screen feature. You just need to click on the toggle button to activate it like this. And here you can read the instruction. To change to split screen view, swipe up with 2 fingers from the bottom of the screen in portrait view or from the side of the screen in landscape view. And I'm going to demonstrate it to you like this. Okay, and now the split screen view has been opened and you can select another application that you want to open in split screen view mode. Alright guys, and that's how we can activate a swipe for a split screen view on Android phone or Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.